Hi, boys and girls. I hope you're having a great time learning from home this week. So today we're going to drill your vowels, then we're going to drill your suffixes, and then we're going to talk a little bit about the different syllable types and how to build them and mark them. So are you ready? Here we go. A apple A safe A acorn A. E ed E Pete E me E. I itch I pine I hi I. O octopus O home O no O. U up U mule U rule U pupil U flew Y baby Y cry IGH light I. Schwa wagon All right, so let's take a look at your suffixes. Here we go. ing, ing. Ed, id. Ed, d. Ed, t. S, s. S, z. Es, es. Est, est. Ness, ness. Less, less. Ful, full. Ly, lee. Tyt, I had to include that one, you know that's my favorite. Tyt. Able, able. So we have talked about 3 different types of syllables so far. Actually, 3rd grade you've talked about 4, but we're going to go over those again in another video. So far, we've talked about closed syllable words, like the word now. We know with a closed syllable word, it has a short U, this one's a U, and a G shuts the door. That's why we call it closed. If we want to figure out that word, we tap it, giving each letter one sound. B, a, g, bug. Good job. Next, we talked about this type of word. Now we see that E on the end and we know it's going to be silent. So I scoop it and I call it a vowel-consonant-e word. Now I know that the only job that E is doing in this word is to make that A say its name, long and strong. We all know that the E is the hardest working letter of the alphabet. So if I wanted to tap this word, I would do it k, a, k, cake. Now I've chosen pretty easy words for us to remind ourselves about these, and I know you can do harder words than this, but this is just a review. The last kind of syllable that we've talked about are words like this. I see that E on the end, but it's the only E in the word, and it's at the very end. So that means this syllable is open. There is nothing there to shut the door. And when there's nothing there to shut the door, when the door is not shut or closed, it's open. So we know that that vowel will be long and strong. I also see a digraph, which means I've got 2 letters that make one sound. So when I tap this word, I will tap it sh-e, she. Okay, I hope you have your paper and pencil or your dry erase board. If you don't, pause the video right now and go get it, because we're going to practice writing some of these words. Now, you know, when we learn, we use this pattern. I do it, we do it, and then you do it. So today, I'm going to do a couple with you. I'm going to do one with you of each type. Then I'm going to do some together. I guess that's how we're doing it, is together. Maybe me doing it and you doing it at the same time. That's together. And then I'm going to ask you to do it by yourself, okay? So first, let's start with the word stick. Okay, let's tap stick. S, t, I, k. When I spell it, I would do s, t, I, k. Now I know at the end of closed syllable words that k is spelled C-K. Is that how you would have done it? Okay, let's mark it. We know that it's closed because the I is short and the CK shuts the door. I also see a blend in this word. I hear the S and I hear the T. There's a closed syllable word. All right, how about the word bike? Let's tap it. Ready? B, I, k, bike. I hear a long and strong I. This must be a vowel consonant E word. Let's see. B, I, k. Wait, the I's not long yet. I have to put the E on the end. Now is the I long? You betcha. Okay, so I know this is a vowel consonant E word. The E is silent, so I cross it out. The I is long and strong. Okay, one more type. Let's try this one. This is a really easy one. I know you'll get it. How about the word go? G-O. G-O. The last thing I hear is O. There's nothing there to shut the door. So if the door isn't closed, it must be open. And I know that my O is long and strong. It's strong because it says, I'm an O, I'm an O, I'm an O-O-O. All right, so we did it together. Now it's time for you to do it by yourself. Take your paper and pencil. I will say the word. And after a few minutes, I'll write the word up here and you can check and see if you did it right. Okay? So your first word to practice is the word rent. Repeat the word. Tap it out. Okay, now write it. If you have it written, then mark it. Are you ready to check? If you're not ready to check, pause the video. If you're ready to check, let's do it. Rent. R-E-N-T. R-E-N-T. Rent. Scoop it one syllable. It's closed. The E is short and the N-T shuts the door. How did you do? that was the first type we ever learned, so I suspect you did pretty well. Okay, let's try another. Take your paper and pencil, and this time, let's write the word dress. Be careful, this one's tricky. Repeat the word, dress. Tap the word. Now write it. Are you ready? If you're not ready, just pause the video. Here we go. Dress. D-R-E-S. D-R-E-S. Did you get the tricky part? Oh, it has two S's because FLS are bonus letters. FLS are bonus letters. Buy one, get one free. Now that only happens at the end of a closed syllable word, but because it's a bonus, I'm going to mark it with a star. Okay, it is closed. The E is short and the S shuts the door. This word also has a DR blend. Did you get all of it? I hope you did. And I hope you got this tricky part. Okay? Next word. This one isn't going to be too hard. Let's try the word be. Now, not the kind of bee that buzzes. Like, I will be there soon. Be. Okay? Tap it. Now write it. It's a pretty short word. Did you mark it? It's a pretty short word, so you probably are ready. Here we go. The word is be. B-E. B. If you're still having trouble with your B's and your D's, remember to check your bed. B-E-D. Bed. That shows you how to make a B and how to make a D. Okay? B-E. That's all. The E is at the very end. It's the last thing I hear, and it's long. There's nothing there to shut the door. So it must be open. We just mentioned the word bed. Let's compare these two. Here's bed. See how the D shuts the door? So this one is closed, and the E is short. But because this one has nothing there to shut the door, we call it open, and we hear the long E. Okay, one last practice word. And it's the word code, like the spy used a secret code. Okay, say it. Tap it. Now write it. You got a couple options for that k sound. You might want to try them both. Okay, are you ready? If you're not ready, just pause the video. Here we go. Code. K-O-D. I have a couple options for that k sound. I'm going to try K first. K-O-D. Wait a minute, it's not long yet. I have to put an E on the end. My brain is telling me that one doesn't look right, but I'm going to do the other option just to see. K-O-D. I must have seen this word somewhere before, because now this option looks right to me. I'm going to erase this. This is not correct. How many of you chose C? I hope you got it right. All right, I know that E is silent. I know the O is long. So this must be a vowel consonant E syllable. Today we didn't talk about any of the exceptions to the rule, but we'll do that on another day. I hope you had a great time learning your Fundations today, and I'll see you soon.